I'm Brett, a GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take night mode photos or use low light mode on your camera on your iPhone. So first we're going to open up our camera app. Now, as you can see, I have my phone set on my table, so it's looking pitch black. And you can see on the top left, there is a little yellow icon that says 5S. Let's tap on that, and now you can see that particular option is disabled. Now, this option typically automatically comes up when anything is dark. If I pull up my phone and show my desk here, that particular option went away. So when you are at night, you are going to want to make sure that option is enabled. So the top left, there's a circle with a line through it. We're going to tap that, and now it is enabled. It will automatically choose between 3 seconds and 5 seconds, which are exposure times that the camera is going to keep the lens open, and it will let more light in. So you're going to have to hold your phone much more steady. Now, in order to make sure that you have a non-blurry photo, like I said, hold your phone very steady, and I'll show you an example. We'll click the shutter button, and you can see it's timing down. It says hold still, and it will keep that shutter open so more light can come through, and now you'll have a brighter picture at night. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.